Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your plumbing needs. The best Moen Retainer Clip. Model 96365. If you're facing issues with your Moen shower valve or cartridge, this little clip might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's explore why this retainer clip is a must-have for anyone looking to maintain their Moen fixtures with ease and efficiency. The 96365 retainer clip is specifically designed to fit Moen cartridges, including models 1200, 1225, and 1225B. This makes it a versatile option for those who have various Moen products in their homes. Constructed from high-quality brass, this retainer clip promises durability and reliability. Unlike cheaper alternatives that may rust or warp over time, this clip stands the test of time, ensuring your shower valves remain securely in place. One of the standout features of the 96365 retainer clip is its ease of installation. For anyone who's attempted DIY repairs, you know the frustration of complicated setups. Thankfully, this retainer clip is designed for a quick and hassle-free installation. Simply remove the old or damaged clip and replace it with the new one. This straightforward process can typically be done in just a few seconds, saving you both time and money on professional repairs. Each package contains 2 retainer clips, which is perfect for anyone looking to stock up on essential plumbing parts. It also comes with a convenient plastic box for storage, making it easy to keep track of your spare parts. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who like to be prepared for any unexpected repairs that might arise. The high-quality materials used in the 96365 retainer clip cannot be overstated. Made from premium brass, it is not only sturdy but also resistant to rust and deformation. This means that once you install it, you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. Investing in quality means peace of mind, and this retainer clip delivers just that. Before purchasing, it's important to note that the 96365 model is compatible with specific Moen cartridge models. This means you need to check your existing setup to ensure you're getting the right fit. Moen provides detailed product specifications, and if you have any uncertainties, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. They are always eager to help clarify any questions you might have. Speaking of support, the company behind this product takes pride in their customer service. If you encounter any issues or have questions after your purchase, you can expect a prompt response within 24 hours. This commitment to after-sales support enhances the overall value of the product and assures you that you are not just buying a piece of plastic, but a reliable solution backed by a reputable brand. In conclusion, the Moen 96365 retainer clip is an essential tool for anyone looking to maintain their Moen plumbing fixtures effectively. With its durable construction, easy installation, and strong customer support, it's clear why this is the best Moen retainer clip available on the market. If you're tired of dealing with unreliable plumbing components, give the 96365 retainer clip a try. It's an investment in quality that will make your life easier. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy fixing!